Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can move keyframes on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to take a video from stock videos here, and I'm just going to add that to the timeline. Then I'm just going to make it smaller to show you like what you can do to like move it around. Add in a keyframe. I like to just add it to everything. Then you can move this like white line and move the image wherever you want, like here maybe, and then like right at the end I'm just going to move it up here again, and like I might rotate it so there's going to be like a rotating motion. And that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!